Here's a little tutorial on how to use Grok on Twitter for some fun things. Alright everyone, so if you've ever wanted to use Grok, the superpowered AI, you can, and it's very, very easy to do. You can ask it anything. So you can ask things like, what are the latest news stories?
Good night.
So we can see here, domestic news, and this is interesting. Tell me you can use it like ChatGPT, but sometimes it's more accurate, and compare it to the United States. So you can ask it statistical questions and it can do a breakdown right here. So that's pretty cool. Then you can combine everything. So then you can have it generate images if you want. So this is pretty accurate, and it comes with different posts and web pages, just like your normal LLM. Make me a frog picture with a top hat dancing. And you can even ask it questions, which is funny, because now I'll go through here and I'll come up with something cool. So it'll give you the history behind that. Now animate that frog like a GIF. And you can go crazy with this. People have made games with this. This is just, scratching the surface. But yes, you can animate this little guy and make it do fun stuff. Now, it's also going to say, hey, it's going to do a one-legged dance. So you can do different variations. You can have fun with it. But I think it's pretty cool, like what we can do with it. So you can have the actual image here. And then I have the image of the frog. And if you also have the plus features, can you put him in a simple game like Frogger? And I'll actually give you the code, put it in a game. It'll tell you how to play, and it'll tell you exactly what to do. So those are some of the amazing things you can do with Grok. Now, let's come to, a lot of the goofy posts here. Now, I'm not going to do anything, but if we just come through here, see a lot of goofy stuff. And what we can do, can click on here. Is this accurate? And you can actually ask Grok if you have plus, and then reply. So that's how some of the things you can use Grok for. Let me know what you're using it for. You can make games, images, you can do LLM stuff, and you can just have fun on X, and you can even fact check your friends. So that was a little tutorial. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.